No, you could.
Shit, it's a lot of them. How many? It's like 20, bro.
No, it's him.
Yeah, but where are you right now?
Kill him,
Okay.
Kill him.
Holy fuck, how many die on me, bro? Y'all fucking rats.
We need to dip, we can't
How many
confirm
is
him.
it?
They're gonna
How many
run
is
it.
it?
Way too many.
No.
Just run. They're going to ST. They're going to ST.
Are they actually?
Oh, hell no, run!
How many is it?
15 right now and Ducking Tuggers.
Nah.
They're saying white ass over there. That's some pussy shit, not gonna lie to you.
Look at them.
Some dude just cloaked past us at KB.
Fucking hell, fam.
Yeah,
Where you guys at?
We're at KB.
Who killed me,
Big
bro?
Desert.
We couldn't confirm it, said.
Yo, wait.
No,
We can split them up in Big Desert. We can split
Yeah,
them up
in Big Desert. Yeah, I thought you meant
50.
KB right now, bro. Who is that?
Oh, Jiho! Behind
Yo,
us! Run!
Follow me, yeah?
Yep.
I track.
This way, come. Man, SD's such a cunt. Alright,
Is it time to lock out?
stop here. Wait, I'm gonna summon real quick. Okay, I'm gonna cloak and we're gonna go straight down, yeah?
Alright.
Cloak
Alright.
straight down. It's because most people, when they get into Big Desert, they run straight forward, innit? We might be able to catch a tail like this. Because those guys will spread quite a lot. You see anyone? Nope. Back off. Oh, go on.
Perfect.
Who's that?
Nice, Jintoki. Confirm that. Yo, they're coming back. Come up and cloak. Go down, straight down.
Stopping
Bomb
the
this
rep.
rep, bomb the rep. What? Kill this bitch. Who is this?
He pressed enter.
Nice. Kill that bitch. Nice,
Dead.
everyone dead. Skywalker.
Alright.
We need to focus it, man. It's hard. Nice. Kill that bitch, Skywalker. Yo, she's going to the rep.
I'll stop it.
Okay, Ainz, you got this. Nice, he's dead.
I'll 1v1 Sakura.
We're
good. I can see both bodies like this.
Okay, Ainz, you can stay here. I'll follow.
Okay, go.
One more is coming from up. It's over, I think.
Go on Clover vibe. Actually, no, stay on Sakura. If we kill all the meds, they're literally doomed. Yo, come down, Ainz. Vibe, come down. There's too many.
Come down to the body.
There's so many. They're converting.
Come.
We need to spread here. Spread. Regroup top. We can take them one by one. Oh, they're trying to rep. Yo, cancel
Yeah,
rep.
don't worry. Don't worry.
Fucking guy with blood tonfas on YS, bro.
Come top.
I am running, bro.
Vibe quick. Actually, I'll just stop them here.
Alright, I got the Skywalker kill.
Okay, nice. Try and move up.
Yeah.
I'm stopping them, Vibe.
I'm running.
Run the other way if you can. You have regen. You should be good. I'm gonna toss
Are the clamps still up?
Yeah, Vibe, just keep running. The clamp, I don't know, but if you go top, that's where we are.
Spook's chasing me. Oh lord.
Yeah, you need to run, Vibe.
I am running, bro. I think I could exit.
Come up. I'm turning the other way.
I'm coming top right to you guys. Where are you guys?
I'm top left, bro.
Up,
Three are
up.
chasing me.
Okay.
Man. Clover's,
They won't catch me. I'm leaving the map.
Like where are you?
At the top, I'm killing Clover.
Yeah, I'm trying to come to you.
I'm dipping.
I'm at the top, running left.
Clover's 1 HP.
I'm at the top, running towards top middle. Spooks is still chasing me, but
Yeah,
I'm
don't worry. I'm with you.
Clover's dead. I
Alright,
killed
come
Clover.
to me.
Clover's in the middle, he's dead.
Alright, perfect.
Are you guys good?
Yeah, we're top middle. If you can come to us.
Top middle, I'm coming. Clover's dead in the middle. I need to heal, that's the problem. I'm super low.
Don't worry. If you can't heal.
I'm gonna regen then. Do I have
Oh
regen?
And
Yo, we can crescent him.
I'm coming top middle. Can you come top middle as well?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming.
Look how much damage we've done.
oh, they hit
Alright,
for
can you come middle? Can you come middle? Instead
Yes.
of top middle.
I am
Yeah.
running.
I see you. I see you. Vipe, come to me. Vipe, quick heal. Vipe, heal.
On raid.
Got it.
Raid that.
Nice. Get SD. Sorry, whoever this fucking
Hang on.
is. Nice, he's dead.
Guys. I'm gonna pop a clamp.
Selfie on me.
Come on.
Can't selfie.
Spooks if you can.
Clamp. Oh, here we go.
Spooks if you can. Nice.
He's almost dead, guys. Get him, Ainz. Get him. He's gonna die.
SD with the YS.
Go on SD.
Fuck.
No sub.
I got a heal for you.
Spooks drop.
Nice. Clone.
Yeah.
Wait, I can get this guy. Get this clone guy. Heal
SD new
please.
target.
Yeah. I'm on SD. I have Crescent ready.
Alright.
Use that fucking weapon.
We should go on Geo.
Go on Geo. Be careful here. We need to still play together. Can we just regroup and heal?
Yeah.
1 second for bandages. Calm down. Rain.
Sorry. Yeah. Go channel. Kill this fucking guy on us, man. What is this? Come back. Geo.
Yep.
Alright. Get her.
Oh.
I'll finish. Never mind.
Nice.
Dead.
She's
Spooks
dead.
is
Heal.
Come on.
Rain.
Yeah. Chase him. They're trying to run. Get that guy. I'll chase SD with ainz.
Alright.
Sorry, ainz.
Don't worry. That's it. We win here.
Get SD.
Do we?
Yeah, we win. Oh, I can't wait to clip this.
One of them cloaked.
Don't worry. We just need to kill SD and the other guy you chased. Vibe. Get the guy you chased.
I'm chasing some pink head webmaster now. I killed the clone guy already.
And that's
No!
how you do it.
No, there's more of them, guys. There's
Where?
Where?
Four more.
I'm coming.
Come back to-
confirm those.
Okay. Oh, he got one on fire.
Yeah, you need to
It's
confirm
a
those.
lot, guys. Nah,
I'm
it's
coming.
three more. They're getting healed, right side.
One's dead. Vibe, come to me.
Yeah.
Stay near me. We're fighting together, right? The other guy's
Yeah.
past me. Quick heal. Vibe.
Got it.
Get the guy in the Togurama mask.
Come for the heal. Rain, come for the
Okay,
heal.
go for
Come for the
it.
heal.
Go for it.
Very nice.
Kusuki.
Yeah, I see him.
Stay on him. I have another heal in a sec. Stay on him for now. Quick heals, Vibe. Quick heals.
EP.
SD press enter. I'm coming back to you guys.
Nice. Come bottom right.
I'm coming.
He's almost dead. He's almost
I'll
dead.
kill him. Stop the red, Vibe. Stop the red. I'll kill Kusuki. Don't worry. You can handle the other two easily.
Oh, I need to be careful. I'll die here.
Where are you guys fighting?
Big desert.
Big desert.
Nice.
Well, I just came Mach 1 speed for you guys.
No,
Hold on here.
they brought more. Yo, come back, Vibe.
Run.
Come back.
Yeah, Ainz, you need to cover. This raid guy wants my
I got a heal for you, Vibe.
trade.
Don't worry.
Never mind.
That was awkward. Nice. Suck. Yo, they're trying to rev.
I'm coming.
Why are they BRing in Big Desert, bro?
Yeah.
What side?
I got a sec.
Bottom right.
They're trying to rev.
blue on you, blue,
They're still
Ainz.
trying to rev. Ainz, I got another heal in a sec. Ainz, come on. Kill this fucking medic.
Yeah, Sakura.
Why are they
Skywalker
BRing?
dead again.
Sakura.
I got no chakra.
What side?
Bottom right.
Bottom right.
She is almost dead, guys.
Yeah.
I'm almost dead.
Vibe. Just run, Vibe. Just run.
Yeah, I need more. Oh my god. It is too many.
Don't worry.
Chakra reloading?
Climb down.
Heal, Vibe. Oh, Vibe.
Wait,
Get out.
switch
Close
back.
back in.
Yeah.
Close back in. No, Vibe. Come back in.
I am.
Yo, no. Yo,
Come
let me taste.
down.
What's up, pussy?
Kill Rose.
Alright, Sakura, Hino, they dead.
Trade.
Okay, come bottom right.
Oh, what the fuck?
Raid,
Oh,
new target.
Snipe.
Oh,
Man, I'm out of that.
let me heal you, Rain. Actually, I'm heal. Nah,
I can't heal for another second.
Side. I'll
Grab
put
those
my
pills. Fuck.
go
We
up.
got a dip.
I'm
Wait,
still
we
on.
got a dip 8 there.
Still on raid.
Yo, we need to record this, by the way.
Yeah, I'm
Make
gonna
sure you get
record
the
it.
All of it, yeah.
All of it?
Nice.
Big.
This is
Check on it.
where?
Let's fucking go, bro! You should have seen what I just did!
Where?
Kill this bitch dog out.
No, go up. Sakura is up
Okay,
here.
fine.
Wait, Sakura
she's
Hinode
running
died!
she's going left. Like diagonal left.
Yeah, I'm not away. I'm running left.
Alright, I've got Sakura Hinode.
Left up or left down?
Top left. What's the call?
Great is dead here.
Yeah, you see Raid? Okay. I don't
Sorry, but what the fuck?
Bro, where's Sakura Hinode? Where's Sakura Hinode? Raid press
Top
enter.
right.
Top right, okay. Top right,
Yeah,
yes, it is.
Why did I worry? Big desert. Why?
She's a fucking Thai med running away from me. I'm a fucking traitor. Watch this shit. She popped the pill. Wow.
The thing is, I killed her. Did she get what? Did she get revved?
I have no idea.
She has no BI. So I'm assuming so.
Fuck. Oh, there she
It
is.
might just ran out. It might just ran out. Yo, lock her.
I think she's fine.
Where you guys at?
All the way right.
Exit towards thingy. Towards the small desert. I got this.
Watch this.
Ah, nice.
GG's. Let's fucking go, lads. And let me just clip that real quick. Save.